was born from a passion for the mountains. For us, skiing was more than a sport. It was a way to connect with nature. We began by reimagining skis, making them fully recyclable to protect the slopes that inspire us. Today, most skis end up crushed, incinerated, or buried, leaving a lasting impact on the environment. After years of research and development in advanced technologies and precision dismantling, we are transforming how composite materials are recycled, giving them a second life. Our technology can now be applied to various industries, from automotive to renewable energy, aerospace, and even construction. We envision a future where innovation and technology serve nature.